I really enjoy the aspect of like seeing kids get older and how they progress and seeing them from a little baby and then seeing them up till they're a few years old, teenagers. I think that's a really cool aspect of the job. So you can kind of follow them along throughout their life and actually have a pretty big impact on their life, which for me is very rewarding and one of the reasons I went into medicine in the first place. Typically how I start my visits is if it's a kid who's a few years old, I'll ask them if they have any questions or anything they want to talk about, and then I'll ask the parents the same question as well. So we'll kind of work through both of them, any concerns or complaints the child may have, and then also the parents. In terms of older kids, I usually leave it up to the parents for the most part. Most 16, 17, 18-year-olds aren't going to want their parents in the room, so they may stay just for a few minutes and then leave. I like talking to kids about staying in shape and the benefits of staying healthy and ways to do that. And I also specialize in sports injuries type of things, so I see lots of kids with different sports injuries just to go over, treatment, what to do here, how to prevent future injuries. And I do a lot of asthma and ADHD follow-up type visits and deal with just ADHD trouble focusing, school tips. Seeing kids make improvements in certain areas or seeing them get healthier, they weren't doing well in school, and then I see them a year later and they're like, Dr. Sherman, my grades are better. Like, that is what, for me, makes my job worthwhile and why I keep wanting to come back every day. I'm trying to set your child up for the future and to be as happy and healthy and successful as they can be. I'm here to help. If you have questions, concerns, I want to hear about them. I want to go through them with you. But I just want this to be a place where you can feel comfortable bringing your child. It's just great building these relationships, seeing kids grow up, and being able to actually see the impact you have in person as time goes on is just so rewarding, and I wouldn't change it for anything.